When we look around, we see so many people running to temples, lighting lamps, donating money, doing rituals, and praying to different gods. But let me ask you something from the heart. What's the point of all of that if the gods living inside your own home are crying? Your parents, your mother and father, are the real gods. If you cannot worship the gods in your own home, how can you expect peace or blessings from the ones outside? When your parents' eyes are filled with tears, when their hearts are heavy, when they feel neglected and lonely, no amount of temple visits, no rituals, no donations can give you true happiness. Because the one who gave you life, the one who sacrificed everything for your smile, is sitting silently in pain, and you are out there trying to please unseen gods. No matter how much you pray, how many religious acts you perform, if your own mother and father are sad, God will never be happy with you. Because the real temple is not made of bricks and stones. It is built inside your heart. And in that temple, your parents are the first deities. So before you offer prayers outside, go home and talk to your parents. Hold their hands. Ask them if they're okay. Tell them you love them. Because a single moment of genuine care towards them is worth more than 1,000 rituals. You may earn money. You may build a career. You may even earn fame. But if your parents' hearts are crying because of your behavior, then trust me, life will never truly satisfy you. You might have everything the world admires, but inside, there will always be a strange emptiness because the blessings of your parents are missing. Remember this, when your parents are happy, your entire world becomes peaceful. Their smile brings a kind of light that no temple lamp can ever give. Their prayers are the most powerful blessings in existence. And when they cry, the entire universe cries with them. Today, so many people say, I have everything, money, house, family. But if your parents' eyes are filled with tears, you have nothing. You may find temporary pleasure, but never lasting peace. Because one day you will become a parent. Then you will understand what it feels like when your own children ignore you, the same way you once ignored yours. So my friends, before life teaches you that painful lesson, wake up now. Go and make your parents smile. Sit beside them. Listen to their stories. They don't need your money. They don't want your luxuries. They only want your love, your time, your respect. Even a single thank you or I love you from you can heal the pain they've carried for years. If your parents are happy, then the entire universe gives joy back to you. You may be poor, but if your parents are happy, then you are richer than anyone. If your parents are crying, no God can bless you. So don't just worship idols and temples, worship the living gods who gave you life. Make them happy first, and everything you wish for will begin to come true. Because a home where parents smile is the holiest temple on earth. So my dear friend, this is my simple message from the heart. If you truly want peace, success, and happiness in life, make your parents smile first.